Part two. Okay, guys, today I'm going to talk a little bit more about the story. Kind of skip all the normal intro and just kind of let you know that leaving off where we were with part one, when I spoke about the super soldiers and them being in that forest area and they're kind of just dying as that energy crackles around them. Now, remember that crackling energy as we go to the next part of the story where we move to a lab and the same energy is crackling around a chimpanzee, and he's sitting there and he's kind of freaking out a little bit, but he's chained to this table, and basically the energy just crackles around, and then it just kind of has a what do you call it, like a mini explosion, and then the chimpanzee stops moving. He's like frozen. And slowly the Dr. Lizelle, the one of what I would call one of my villains, he walks over to the table. He's the guy that the general's been feeding Dr. Barillo's research to. And he walks over to the table and he touches the monkey, and it just breaks down in a pile of ash. And he at that moment looks over to his right, and we look in and we see the general standing there with this disapproving look of like, you know, really, what are we doing here? And he walks out. That's part two.